Hey guys, listen, I had to put on the camera. Somebody couldn't tell me how bad the snow was going to be tonight. Tell me why me on the road in all of this. Woo! And it is so windy. It is snowing and windy at the same time. Woo! This is what I'm walking in. Come to Canada, they say. Oh my God. Oh, this is what I'm walking in because it is snowing so bad right now. And I'm not even sure where I'm going. I'm supposed to turn here. It is so cold. I think it's turn here at this gas station. It's so bad, guys. It is so bad. And I am not. Oh, I think that's where I'm going. Yes, I am almost there, guys. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. I don't know where to walk. Look at this. I don't know where to walk. I want to walk in the street, but I can't. Over that side is too much snow. And I'm just going up the road. I'm not going far. I made it, guys. I made it. That's literally just here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the morning after a snowstorm and I'm going to take you guys outside with me. Let me show you what's happening out there. Before I go outside, let me just show you the backyard. So look at the deck. The deck is so high, so high. I can't open this door at all. If I try to open it, it's the snow is that high. I'm unable to open it. Yep, that's it. And look at the roof. So much snow. Oh, this is rock. Number one, can we see at last? Stuck in the snow. Trying to get this van that's stuck out of this snow. So much snow. Whew. So much snow under there. And it was getting all the way. What now?
Yeah, back up. Okay, that's back. Ready? All right, go. Yes, nice. That's it. All right.
Finally. They didn't clean this street at all. Now we got stuck at the end. Oh. So much snow. Well, I'm going back to the yeah.
Oh, it's okay. think the next one we're gonna go. Yeah, once it's fixed, yeah, that's good. Okay, ready? Alright. Back up a little bit. Okay, here we go.
It should be good now.
Okay, everyone out of the way. Yeah. Right there. Check. Perfect. Ready? Yeah, that's good. That's going now. Okay, go.
Oh, I got up to part of the step. Putting some salt here so we don't slip. Look at the snow on the roof. But the sun is out today, thank God, so in no time that will fall off. We hope. Woo, yeah, I'm gonna make a snow angel. Woo, woo, woo. This is deep, you know. Below this is hard. So as I told you before, the snowstorm was last night, so everybody cleaning the driveway as best as they can. I guess nobody's over there because it's full of snow. But yeah, can I walk on the side? Taking you with me. It's a beautiful day, so beautiful. Oh, the park, look at the park. Isn't this beautiful? So beautiful. They haven't cleaned that street either. Just the major streets are cleaned so people can get by. Oh, I love to see the snow like this in its pure form before, oh, this is rocky, before it gets dirty. Walking on this, so it's not easy to walk on at all, but yeah, somebody cleaning their driveway over there. So peaceful at this park. See, they haven't cleaned the major road, as I said before. If you look at this, not cleaned at all. I can't even walk on the sidewalk anymore because there's so much snow, and over here they haven't cleaned it yet, so there's nowhere to walk, literally. Nowhere to walk. They just clean right where their vehicle is, but not the sidewalk. The sidewalk. that's pretty much it. Quite a bit of snow down here, but the sun is out, so hopefully some of it will melt before more snow come later on in the week as predicted. So if you're in Canada, let me know how your side was affected, how bad it was, like those in Brampton, where else, Vaughan and those area. I have no idea how that side was impacted. I think I've done my share of cleaning up of snow for this week or for today. I'm just going to go and relax now, but the day is so beautiful I may even go on the road. I have to take advantage of this weather. It's too beautiful not to. And as I said before, it's not even cold. It's nice, like really nice. I'm literally sweating under this, probably because I was shoveling snow earlier, but it's not cold at all. It's nice. I like to see the snow untouched, but when the dirt starts, the mud and stuff start getting on it, I don't like it at all.